What's up, guys? Dustin here. Got a mystery tackle box opening. This is my first one. It is like Christmas. I don't know how to explain it. Let's just jump right to it. Okay, this is an unboxing video. Your Dibble Digest. What's inside? Ooh. Lunker Hunt jerkbait. Tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Just for reference, guys, I got this in my first box. I got it for $5. I did the little $10 off. Look at that. Oh yeah. We'll have some fun with that. Okay. Lucky Craft crankbait. It's pretty cool. Take this one out of the box. Got some good action to it, I hope. Got a lot of rattle. Bruiser baits. Stick worms. Should be pretty cool. I've never used Bruiser. It's got a nice little purple, blue, fluorescent color. Must add, offset hooks, size 5. I usually use size 4, but size 5 is pretty good. Big Bite Baits. Crawl. Swimming crawls, the black neon color. Infused with bite juice. Alright, so this is my first unboxing video, but figured all the shit that was in here. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty pleased with Mystery Tackle Box already. It's really cool. It really is. So let's go ahead and jump into what's inside. Lucky Craft Swim Shad. This little bad boy right there. It is $15.99. Wow. Most expensive lure I have. Kraken Jerkbait from Lunker Hunt. $3.99. And then you got the Big Bite Baits. Swimming Crawl. $3.49. The Bruiser Baits. $2.15. And then of course you got the hooks. $1.99. Dibble Digest. This ways how to fish a jerkbait, crankbaits, how to bang it in the cover and stuff. I'll probably read that later. I'm not really familiar with how to use jerkbaits. I know it's funny, but pretty excited about that. So yeah, guys, so this equals up to a $27 value out of all this stuff for $5, and that's your first box. Okay, I'm totally going to promote them because I love it. Okay, I've been so excited. I've watched a lot of videos, John B, Lunkers TV, AP Basson, all that awesome guys, which is really the main reason I got into this mystery tackle box. So definitely try it out. I don't know the code for the $10 off, but the box that I got is a normal box. It's $15 a month. I'm definitely going to upgrade to the Pro box now that I know what it's like. Pretty excited. Every month. It's like Christmas every month. New fish and stuff. These boxes are $15. They have different plans, but they come with $25 to $30 value. Okay. And the Pro boxes come with $40 or more value, and they're $25 a month. So definitely going to be upgrading. Pretty excited, guys, really am. So yeah, that's all I got today. Just a quick little unboxing video. I'm pretty excited. I'm ready to get out on the water and try these bad boys out. See you later.